Good morning. So today I'm gonna discuss about the Eugenics Activity 1. Uh, what are the do's and don'ts of the internet? So what are they called? So our behavior on the internet is called netiquette. So netiquette is our etiquette on the internet. So there are work ethics, there are school ethics, there are also internet ethics, which is called netiquette. So, what are the do's and don'ts? So, first we'll tackle about the do's. Uh, we have a listing from the previous lesson. So, I just follow some, but there are others in my own words. So, first is remember to always be a human. So, what does it mean? It means that you should be uh, always think in a human perspective. Don't be an animal. Don't be a robot like. So you should always uh, consider yourself being human when talking to the chat room or in email or commenting the posts in the internet. Always remember to be a human. So be kind. Always be kind. Always say nice words, or if you can try to say nice words. Don't say harsh things. Don't offend anybody. So remember to be kind. Being kind means it might give you more friends. It will not ban you from your games. So always be kind. Like in real life, be kind. Be kind also in the internet. Be respectful. So we have our own opinion. Some other people have their opinion. So we respect their opinion if it's opinion based. But if it's facts, you should tell your facts in your own way, but uh, be respectful. For example, somebody posted something about a story that is not true. So instead of mocking him or saying bad words to him, respond in a respectful way. Uh, like I said, if you see something in a post that it's not true, gather your facts first before you comment. So, uh, by gathering this result, like some fake news, so if you see a fake news, you will comment something. But before you comment, make sure that it's real or have a proof that it's actual facts. No caps means capital letter in the internet is shouting. So it's best it's always use a proper case or a smaller case, but never try to avoid always using capital letters when chatting or commenting. It means caps means shouting, so no caps. And don't say hurtful words. So I hate you, loser, ugly, you suck. So that's the I think this is the don'ts already. So don't say hurtful words. So do not post fake news. Like I said, do not. I think we already have a law in the Philippines that if you post fake news, you'll be liable as cyber libel or be criminal. So you'll be charged. You will be jailed. So don't post fake news. Ah, don't be an internet troll. So, what's an internet troll? So, those are people that create other account like in Facebook just for them to be able to uh, comment to somebody's post without showing their real identity. So, that identity will keep trolling to those accounts, so it will trigger anger to the poster. So usually those troll are they called keyboard warriors. So don't be like that. So don't be an internet troll triggering, making somebody fight. So that's not it, that's bad. So that's it. So those are do's and don'ts for the internet. Thank you.